So, tonight's conclusion, fuck you. Yes, fuck you. Oh really? You want me to be more philosophical, more poetic for you? I can try that, bitch. You know, you are a blister full of infection. An ugly beast walking on two legs. Every word from your mouth is a lie. Fuck you. Yes, fuck you. You fucking alien. You motherfucker. If your brains were dynamite, there wouldn't be enough to blow your mind off.